For a society to be peaceful, what if we want a society, our society to be peaceful, what one can follow? The basic needs of its sections need to be met, and persons must get necessary security, and the exploitation in society must be stopped, inequality must decrease. So these things if we follow, the society will be peaceful. Everyone must have the right to participate in public life. So everyone must have the right to participate in public life. By learning the importance of peace and by using peaceful methods, we can create a peaceful environment in our family, school, and community. It is each and everyone's responsibility to, once if we bring change in ourselves, then it is possible that we can bring change in the family, in our school, and in our community. So if we want peace, we must start changing our own self first, and then everything starts changing on its own. In order for peace to spread worldwide and for nation to be able to strive for the development of their people, 21st September has been designated by UN, that is United Nations, as International Peace Day. So now United Nations has declared as 21st September to be the International Peace Day, so that there is the message of peace and prosperity is being passed on. On this day in New York, where United Nations have their headquarters, a bell is rung at 10 o'clock in the morning. So New York is having the head office of United Nations. Exactly at 10 o'clock in the morning, a bell is rung. This is followed by a few moments of silence. So what is there that people follow, maintain silence over there for few moments, and this bell has been made from coins given by people from around 60 nations. So the bell which is made from that for ringing, for passing on the message of peace, is made from the coins which were given by the people around 60 nations or 60 countries. So here we come to an end with a chapter. Today let us see what we have learned in the chapter. Everyone has a responsibility to solve problems in civic life. Problems can be solved if everyone cooperates. Dialogue and discussion can help solve disputes. Disputes can be solved peacefully. If there is peace in the family, school, and society, everyone benefits. Peace is a social value. Here we come to an end of our chapter, and I hope and I request each and every student to do textbook reading as and when we complete our chapter.